Good morning to all of you. You are welcome online class Sardar Patel Inter College Jaroli Phase 2 Kanpur, class 9 Social Science English medium. History का चैप्टर फर्स्ट, द फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन, फ्रांसीसी क्रांति। इंट्रोडक्शन यानी परिचय। द फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन ऑफ 1789 AD is regarded as a landmark in the history of France that influenced not only the entire Europe but also the whole world. It put an end to monarchical system of government in France and gave birth to new political idea of liberty. Causes that led to the revolution: the autocratic rule of the Bourbon king Charlemagne was gradually becoming a cause of public displeasure. It was a natural reaction that began in 1789 and went on up to 1799. Various factors that added in the outburst of this revolution are as given below. 4 factors. The old regime at its crisis. Political causes, religious causes, economics causes, social causes. Political causes. The main political causes behind the French Revolution be explained as follows. The old regime or the political system of France states has become highly entertaining for its people. There was an absolute monarchy in France. The king regarded himself as for its people. There was an absolute monarchy in France. The representative of God on earth. The king was concerned only with their own comforts and never cared for the well-being of their people. जैसा कि बच्चों आप सभी जानते हैं कि फ्रांस की जो क्रांति हुई थी वो 1789 में लुई 16वें के शासनकाल में हुई थी, जब बास्टील की जेल का पतन हुआ था। जितनी भी यूरोप या अन्य महाद्वीपों में जो क्रांतियां हुई या जो रिवॉल्यूशन हुई, उनमें प्रमुख जो काजेस थे वो पॉलिटिकल, सोशल, इकोनॉमिक, रिलीजियस काजेस थे, जिसके कारण ये क्रांतियां हुई। Louis XVI ascended the throne of France in 1774 AD, यानी लुई 16वां फ्रांस की गद्दी में 1774 पर जब बैठा, he believed in the theory of the divine rights of the king, so he regarded himself as the representative of God in the earth, अपने आप को ईश्वर का अवतार माना। There was his one the check, the monarchy of the king, his will was the law, कानून के मुताबिक other popular institutes present in the France had earlier been destroyed or brought under the monarch's control. Social reasons: the structure of France society was feudal in nature. It was divided into 3 states. The first state was the clergy, the second state was of the nobles, the third state was the peasant. The society was divided into the privileged and the non-privileged classes. The privileged class include nobility and the higher clergy. The unprivileged class included the bequests of the upper middle class citizens. The peasants were heavily taxed and their lives were quite mistake. A new social group known as the middle class emerged in 8th century. The struggle to survive, economic causes, some important economic reasons played a vital role in dragging the country of the verge of revolution. The population of France rose from about 23 million in 1715 to 28 million 1789, यानी जो फ्रांस की जो पॉपुलेशन थी उसमें ग्रोथ बहुत अधिक हो रही थी। ये भी फ्रेंच क्रांति का एक प्रमुख कारण था, क्योंकि 1715 तक जो फ्रांस की पॉपुलेशन 23 मिलियन थी, वो 1789 में 228 मिलियन हो गई। थैंक्स।